Today we're going to introduce to you an amazing beginner sewing kit that will make all your sewing projects a breeze. Welcome back to Sailrite Workbench. Here at Sailrite, we wanted to put a kit together with all the essential tools you would need to get into DIY. So we created the DIY Workbench Tool Kit. It's a perfect addition to your workroom or a great gift for somebody starting their DIY journey. Like I said before, all 6 items included in the kit were carefully chosen for you by the Sailrite DIY experts for their usefulness and versatility. What does that mean? Well, whether you're an upholsterer, canvas worker, leather worker, sailmaker, or hobby sewer, you'll find all the items in this brand new toolkit useful. First, let's talk about my favorite tool, the clear acrylic ruler. It's transparent, so you can easily see your fabric underneath. The measurement marks are very easy to see on all fabric colors, making it a breeze to cut straight lines or create accurate patterns. This ruler is a must-have for any sewing project. When you're using this ruler, you'll need something to mark your fabrics with. There's no better tool for this than the chalk pencil cartridge set. It's a fantastic tool for temporary marking. It comes with 16 chalk refills and 9 chalk colors, allowing you to choose the one that contrasts well with your fabric, no matter the color or pattern. Plus, it comes with a built-in eraser so it won't leave you with any unwanted marks. Next, we have 2 tools that go hand in hand, the self-healing cutting mat and the soft grip rotary cutter. These tools are game changers. The cutting mat not only protects your table from getting damaged, but it also allows you to make precise cuts with your rotary cutter. This double-sided cutting mat is self-healing, which means it lasts longer than other cutting mats on the market. The 5-layer construction makes it great for cutting fabric, leather, and other materials. The cutting mat features separate imperial and metric sides with measurements that include degree guidelines for bias cutting. This mat will become your best friend, especially when you're using the rotary cutter to cut fabric and other materials. This tool features a comfortable handle and is useful during long projects. The blade guard lifts out of the way when cutting and drops back down to protect the blade when not in use. It glides smoothly, making your cutting process a breeze. Next up, we've got these fabric and leather clips. These clips are great because you can use them on a variety of different materials. They're perfect for holding your fabric together without leaving any marks. They're super easy to use, and I really like them because pins can be a hassle. I have these on hand for all of my sewing projects. Last but not least, we have basting tape. This double-sided tape is perfect for holding your fabric together before sewing. It's a great alternative to pins or clips. In fact, if you sew together the tape, it adds extra water resistance to seams, which is a huge plus for marine and outdoor projects. It's easy to use and leaves no residue behind. This beginner sewing kit will set you up for sewing success. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned pro, these tools will make your sewing projects a breeze. If you're interested in checking out the DIY Workbench Toolkit, we've linked it in the description below. If you want to see more Sailrite products in action, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.